Welcome to hiding, naming, and arranging your images. In this video, you'll learn how to hide any images you don't want displayed in the tour, rearrange the order of your photos, and star your favorite media so it appears first in the marketing kit materials. Start by going to your dashboard and selecting the property you'd like to update. Then click Edit Property to begin making changes. Click Site Media in the left-hand navigation. Click the eye icon in the bottom right-hand corner of any image you'd like to hide from the tour. Please note the image becomes grayed out after hiding. To display the image again, simply hit the eye a second time. To rearrange your images, simply drag and drop them into the order you'd like them displayed. Click the star in the bottom right-hand corner of an image to mark it as one of your favorites. Once selected, a yellow box will appear around the image so you can easily identify your starred photos. Your starred images will be used first in your marketing kit materials. Tip: we recommend completing these steps before uploading your images to Bright. This way, only the images you want will be uploaded, and they'll appear in the exact order you prefer. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the rest of our helpful tutorials by visiting pictureperfectllc.com/how-to. We're always adding new videos to help make your experience with Picture Perfect even easier.